Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the secure boot on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, of course, if you have a Windows 11 already, that will be great. But of course, if you have a Windows 10, you can actually upgrade to Windows 11 for free. You must have been see already that message of upgrade a Windows 11 for free, and make sure that the install link of Windows 11, if you like install it, it will be on the background, and you can actually keep using your PC while it's installing. So don't worry about anything. Of course, once it's downloaded, you'll actually be required to do restart to your PC or computer, and then you will find yourself with a Windows 11. So of course, as we said, we would like to enable the secure boot on Windows 11. So of course, let's first of all open the start or the Windows. You can just go and click here or click at the Windows key on your keyboard. Now you'd like to search for system information, and click at the enter button on your keyboard. As you can see, this opens this option or this pop-out for you. Of course, now you would like to look for secure boot states. Of course, you can press at whatever and type it if you want, and as you can see, that will take you here directly. As you can see, the value is on. That means for me it is enabled. But of course, for you, if it's not enabled, you will need to enable this option manually from the BIOS system. So of course, you would like to actually restart your PC, or you can just click here and go to settings. Then you'd like to go to recovery. Sorry, not this one. You'd like to go to recovery option, and you'd like to click at this advanced startup restart now, and this will open your BIOS. Now then you would like to go to settings and enable the secure boot, and you will find it like right into your face in the BIOS. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.